Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today is the Holy Stone HS190. This is their mini drone, and this thing is like the size of a mosquito. It's so small. Anyway, that's the box. I mean, there's not much to it. Give you a size comparison. This is like my Note 10, so it's definitely small. All right, so let's open it up and see what we get inside here. So right from the get-go, that is about everything. So it gives you your little battery operation booklet. And then this is your drone and controller all in one. So that is it. Then that is your charger, which actually charges the whole little mini drone here. But this controller actually charges the drone as well. And what I mean is, when you open this lid, you take out your drone, you actually have a little charging cable that's in the controller itself. So you can charge this on the go. And what I mean is it has a battery compartment, two little battery compartments here in the back. Now let's open one of them up for you so you can see what we get. So you got that little itty bitty screw that goes on that. So then you have, it doesn't come with batteries, but it does take 4 AA batteries. I mean AAA, the smaller ones. Let's put this little screw back in. If I don't lose it. It's like the size of a watch screw. The thing's so small. Okay. So everything on here is small. So that is your basic remote. And that's going to be your power switch. But let's unfold it. And that's the coolest thing about this is that the arms fold out on this. So basically you are pulling them out. And you'll kind of like feel where they kind of like bottom out and are done. And then you have your little power switch on the side here. And it's so small. And it has your little power plug here. And again, through a USB block, you can power this. So basically it connects here. And you'll see has a little channel for that little notch on top. So you can see, kind of like see the white notch that's up there. So it'll give you a really good idea. And then you plug that into your standard power block to charge up. And like any other power block, it's got a red and a green light. So we're going to let that sit for a quick second. And again, in here, this is your power plug. So when you turn this remote on, you can actually recharge your drone on the go, which is like super cool. So let's disconnect that, and I can show you kind of how that works. So we're going to turn on your remote, so it beeps, and then you plug this cord in. So, and then that light turns blue, basically meaning that it's charging your drone. So, I mean, it's a nice little self-contained all-in-one unit. So disconnect that. And then you have your little power switch here that turns your drone on. So now it's basically looking to connect to your remote. And it has these cool little rubberized feet that thing can sit on. And it also comes with a little tool set, 4 replacement propellers, and it has like these little propeller guards that I'm not going to put on for this flight. And then it has your basic remote. I'm going to turn it off, turn it back on so it connects. So see how the light stopped blinking? That means that it's paired with this remote control. Now it does have your up and down controllers here, as well as your remote that will start everything. And I believe if you put it both down into the corner, now it's basically calibrated and connected. All right, so what we're doing on this, once you have the remote connected, this will, out to either side, will activate the propellers, unlock them. So now you're ready for flight. And again, this little guy, it's so small and super stable. And it does have one up and down landing operations, but if you got a little nervous, you can actually bring it down, and this thing is like super agile. But if you weren't sure what was going on and you thought you were losing control, you basically just kind of like land on the hard side and it will automatically turn itself off. And then unlock the rotors again, out to either side. And then you're back in flight mode again. So this is a super easy drone, especially for a beginner, to practice fly around. Anyway, that is your Holy Stone mini drone. Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.